New England Gardening here. Today's Friday, March 8th. It's been snowing all night. It's been snowing for 2 days actually, but it only started accumulating last night. And there's the snow on my Weber grill. And this is heart attack snow. This is that heavy, wet snow. I have to shovel off this porch. Unfortunately, I usually keep up with the snow in front of the door so I can get out there. But since it's heavy, wet snow, I'll have to see if I can force that outside storm door open so I can get out there. But I don't think we've had that much snow. That's just the drift off of the roof line, blowing off the roof line. But it's still coming down, and it's noontime. So I have to get out there, and I'm anxious to see how the snowblower is going to work this heavy wet snow, but at least I have it tuned up so I won't have to be playing with the choke or having it intermittently stall out on me every time I try to throw some snow with it. But let's take a look at what it looks like out there. So I stand corrected. I just saw the weather forecast, and they're saying they're predicting 12 to 24 inches in this area. When the heck did that happen? Last night it was 4 to 8 inches. But evidently that changed. Right here, there is some drifting going on, but it's pretty consistent across the front porch here. It is 17 inches. Lovely. But the streets are pretty bare. They did a good job salting and sanding, and it's still warm at ground level. But off the streets, it's accumulating, and it's a heavy snow. Got some good sized flakes coming down now. So it's still coming down. I think we got another couple of hours of this. Let's see how much snow we have here away from the house. Looks like 12 inches. So the snowblower is running really nice and smooth. I can really idle it down real low now. So it's amazing how much it helps to have a nice, smoothly running snowblower. Not like it was before. Started right up, didn't need to use the electric starter. You can see how warm it is. It's already melting on the asphalt here. So this is New England gardening. Let me finish up the driveway. Oh, it looks like it's stopping. So thanks for watching.